Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to turn off notification in ClickUp. ClickUp sends notifications for tasks, comments, mentions, reminders and updates. You can turn them off from inside the ClickUp app. Launch open the ClickUp application and log in if needed. From the home page of ClickUp, go to the top right corner and tap on your name initial or your profile picture. Now, you will see Mute Notification option at the very top under My Calendar. Tap on it and then select how long you'd like to mute the notification from the app. After you do that, you'll be able to mute notification for the chosen period of time for ClickUp. If you want to turn off specific types of notifications that you don't want, then you can go ahead and tap on notification setting from the same page and then go ahead and disable specific notifications you don't want. For example, if you don't want the specific resolved comment notification, then you can turn off the resolved comments tab and so on. So that is how you can easily turn off or mute notifications in ClickUp. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.